What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another video. I'm just shooting video after video. This is the same day as the previous video. I'm probably gonna make one more video after this. But like I said, I had a lot of packages come in while I was away. I'm back now. And here we go. We got the 700 Yeezy slides, man. It was crazy because I signed up on the Confirmed app. I tried all morning on Yeezy Supply. My computer ended up crashing. It was crazy. I had to restart my computer again. I don't know what the heck happened. But I tried on Yeezy Supply. I tried on the Adidas Pickup Reserve app, and then finally I hit on the Confirmed app. Oh, it was crazy. I hit on the Confirmed app and I got 1, 2, 3. I hit all 3 on the Confirmed app, man. So it pays to buy from them and to be icon level 4. That doesn't really matter too much with Nike, I'm guessing, because they don't really care for me. They only give me here and there things, but this Confirmed has been taking care of me, and I've been purchasing, and I still got that icon level. But let's get into these sandals, man. We're gonna start out with the Pure, which I actually wore on my hiatus when I was gone and away, and the comfort level on this is insane. This is the most comfortable sandal slide I've ever had, and I've had quite a few. I got Adidas sandals, Nike Benassis, other Adidas Comfort Soft, I think they call it, something soft. But this is insane. The amount of cushion that's in here, it's amazing. And the Pure colorway is like a light brown. I don't know if you guys are gonna pick it up on the camera. It's not white, it's not bone, it's like a light brown, but it is very soft and very plush. So the next color we got is this one. The Core. This is kind of like a brown. You got your brown sandals. I definitely would be throwing these on as well. Just like I don't know, maybe go to the store or something, just chill mode. But the comfort level and the materials that these are made of is insane, just insane, like just perfect. Like it fits good. I went with the size 13 because I had a feeling 12 was gonna run small. People were telling me these run small, so I went with the 13 on all the sandals, and they fit me perfect. I rock my sandals with socks. I don't do no socks, so it works out perfectly with that. And then the last colorway that we have for you guys today. But this resin colorway is like reminiscent of a light green, light green. Really dope too. I like it. I'm gonna definitely wear it as well. Like all 3 of these is just crazy. It's just comfort. The comfort level on these sandals is crazy. Oh dang! You got the Core, Resin, and then let's do the comparison with the Core and the Pure. See that? That's a big difference. This is like a really light brown. Like almost not brown. I don't know. It's just a weird color. So you got that Core. This is the Core. This is the brown, the darker brown, and this is like the light brown Pure. It's called Pure, but it's like a light brown. Bam. Sandals, baby. So there we go, guys. There you have it. These are your Yeezy slides. But until the next video, guys, I am Mills Kicks. Subscribe, hit that like button, share my videos, do what you gotta do to help your boy blow up. Alright? On to the next one. I'm out. Peace.